Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. I've been wanting to buy this 996 Turbo for about 7 years now, and after countless months of searching, I finally came across this 2001. What instantly grabbed my attention was the red interior. I reached out to the dealer out in New Mexico, booked a flight the next day, and bought it on the spot. Driving it back was an absolute blast. I've had this car for about 2 months now, and after watching so many other 996 videos on YouTube, I thought, why not make my own 996 content? I've never done anything like this before, but I'm excited to give it a shot. I'm looking forward to sharing the whole experience, owning it, driving it, fixing things, and of course modifying it along the way. I've been collecting a few parts, as you can see here. Even though I had an oil change in May, I want to do my own. I also picked up these leather interior pieces because I'm working on towards a full leather interior, and I'm going to show you the whole process of prepping and dyeing the leather to match the Boxster red. One of the upgrades I'm excited for is lowering the car. I picked up a set of Feel 441 Plus coilovers, and they should be arriving here soon. After that, maybe some wheels, even though I absolutely love the turbo twists. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm really excited to share this journey, and I hope you like and subscribe so I can keep putting out more content for you guys. Thanks for watching, and here's to the road ahead. We're just getting started.